Another military operation in the streets of Rio. This is what poor Brazilians in hundreds of slums or favelas are going through day in, day out. Luciana Regina says they're living in fear.
I need to check if there are any shootouts before I leave my home. Sometimes I am not able to go to work and the kids can't go to school. It's not safe.
President Michel Temer ordered thousands of soldiers and military police to break up organized crime's control of the favelas. Since the military intervention started in February, more than 800 people have been killed in confrontations with security forces.
The military has been doing operations in favelas like this one for 6 months, but human rights organizations say there have been changes, but for the worst, because the number of shootings have increased by at least 40%, endangering civilians.
Even Brazilians who live in protected compounds are afraid. Evie and Alan Borges are ready to move to Portugal with their 15-month-old daughter, Amora.
I have seen robberies, shootings, dangerous situations that I don't need to go through. We live in a guarded area, but I don't want to live in this golden cage.
The Justice Ministry says 21,000 Brazilians left the country last year because of the violence. 17 of Brazil's major cities are among the most dangerous in the world. Experts say the government is taking the wrong approach.
Brazil chooses to combat the drug trade with general repression and not by investigating the criminal organizations to track the money and the weapons.
The violence has been growing since the economic crisis hit the country 4 years ago. As a result, 66% of Brazilians favor security operations. But some say civilians in the slums are getting the wrong message.
If you position a tank in front of the favela and send in thousands of soldiers, you are saying you are the enemy. Whether there is support or not, we think this is illegal. It is wrong and immoral.
Critics say military operations have always been unsuccessful, but until a new president takes office in January, they will continue, and poor Brazilians will have to live in the crossfire, unable to leave. Mariana Sanchez, Al Jazeera, Rio de Janeiro.